Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detailed video designed to be seen in conjunction with other videos in the notes field down below on how to exit a vehicle, a Honda Crosstour in this particular case, using the MultiLift and Speedy Bar. Please check out the videos in the notes field down below to get more information on the product. Our first step is to place the Speedy Bar. No modification to the vehicle, no drilling. We then take the MultiLift, place it on the Speedy Bar. If the sling is already in place, we don't need to connect anything. Reconnect the sling. Position the lift so that we can access the sling straps. Raise. Bring the wheelchair into place. Once the user is sufficiently out of the door, grab this handy little handle back here. Once they're up high enough, just come straight out. Right over the wheelchair. Now you'll notice that just a little bit of pressure right here on the handle gets us up to a nice, really convenient and comfortable position with the lower back rolled right into the back of the wheelchair. Once we're down in the chair, release. Back up a little bit. Remove the lift. Remove the Speedy Bar, and we're ready to hit the road. Again, this is a detailed video, so make sure to check out the other videos in the notes field down below. You can also like us on Facebook at facebook.com. We're on Twitter at AccessUN. Check out our YouTube channel with almost 4,000 videos showing you different applications of many products, including the MultiLift, at youtube.com/AccessUN. Contact us daytimes, Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. at 1-607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends, 1-615-873-0518. And of course, our YouTube channel, our website is www.accessunlimited.com. Have a great day. We hope you've enjoyed our video.